Hey, what's up guys? So I've got Amazfit Balance 2 here with me in the studio today. And Amazfit is actually on a roll this year. They have come up with some fantastic watches. Their lineup is just crazy. BIP 6 is one of the best budget smartwatch to come out this year. And then there's Active 2. I've already uploaded TX3 Pro's unboxing, and now we've got Amazfit Balance 2. So this watch has some really interesting features. So you get a 1.5-inch AMOLED display, which has sapphire glass protection. It can track up to 170 workout modes. There's smart strength training, and there are some official Hyrox modes supported by this watch as well. There are some golf course maps also available in this watch, which Amazfit has made a big deal about. So we will take a look at that. But first, let's unbox this watch and see what we get. There you go. That's Amazfit Balance 2. We've got some paperwork here. We've got charger here, similar to what we got with T-Rex 3 Pro. So I'm gonna put that here. Then we have the watch. All right, so this whole thing's come out. So I'm gonna put it here. And then we have the band. So you get two bands with this. There's a black one and an orange one. So I'm gonna put this here and let's take out the watch. All right, so here it is, Amazfit Balance 2. Personally, I think this is one of the best looking Amazfit watches. It just looks like a classic timepiece with this rotating crown and this build quality, which is just fantastic. Don't know what that is. I hope that's not a scratch out of the box. Looks like it. All right. Don't know what that is. Not happy with that. So that's the 1.5-inch display. We get our rotating crown here, and then we have a very clicky button on this side. And on this side, we have a scratch out of the box. I don't know what that is. I hope it just goes away. But anyways, a very cool feature here is the presence of two speakers. So we have a speaker on this side and another one on this side. So pretty cool. First on any watch that I've seen. And then I guess one of these would be a mic. So that's the watch, and I think that's the mic right here. But I'm just gonna put it aside and take out the bands. The bands are wrapped up like, I don't know, they are mummies or something like that, but it's very simple to take them out. All right, so we have got these silicone bands. They are 22mm bands. So if you have 22mm bands, you'll be in luck and you can use them with this watch as well. All right, so that's the watch with the band attached. It looks absolutely gorgeous. You can charge it using this charger like this, and it has USB-C port, so you can just bring one cable to charge your phone and your watch. So I'm going to turn it on, connected with the Zep app on my phone, and I'll be back. All right, so the watch is connected and good to go. It was a very quick setup experience. So it's very simple. Swipe down for quick controls, and you can use the crown to scroll between these pages. Swipe up for notifications, swipe right for shortcut cards, and swipe left to go to your widgets. Now, something that I've noticed straight away is that you cannot scroll through widgets using this crown, rotating crown. So this button here works as a home button as well as brings up the apps list, and this button by default works as a shortcut to go into the workouts app. Now I want to compare it very quickly with some other Amazfit watches. So this one here is T-Rex 3 Pro. It has a 1.5-inch display. Amazfit Balance 2 has a 1.5-inch display. Even though they have the similar size, T-Rex 3 Pro looks slightly bigger because of its chunkier bezels and all that. That's how they compare in thickness. And now let's compare it with Amazfit Active 2. So that's Amazfit Active 2. It has a 1.32-inch display and 1.5-inch display. I'll be making detailed comparison videos between these watches, so stay tuned and subscribe if you want to watch those comparisons. Next up is Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Now, this is a comparison I really want to do. because these two watches are very comparable. Galaxy Watch Classic has a 1.34-inch display. Amazfit Balance 2, 1.5-inch display. Now, size-wise, they are almost similar. Again, thanks to the chunkier bezels on Galaxy Watch Classic. And finally, one more watch that I want to compare it to is Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which also has a 1.5-inch display. It has a rotating bezel. This one has crown, and they are actually pretty similar because of the similar shape. So let me know, guys, which one of these comparisons you want to see first. That's about it from this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.